So let's get it done.
There we go. So just repeat that dude for us. Hello all.
Hello all. We've just had a win, finally. The bolt and crankshaft pulley is finally off. After several weeks of soaking it, working on it and everything else, it just came off like a breeze. So we can now clean that up, replace that, which means we can now take this off, sump off, crankshaft out, pistons out, and get this rebuilt.
About fucking time.
Exactly. Let's make it happen.
Did we drain the oil out of it?
I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did.
Yeah, she sounds dry.
Yeah, it'd be nice to get a little win on the engine build.
Oh, massively. Absolutely massively.
Morning. You alright?
Morning. You can see we're trying to clean it, we're getting there. That is a lot cleaner than what it was. It's still not meant you can sort of see around there what it was like. I don't know why that always fucking terrifies me watching engines go over. Oh!
Great.
Yeah.
Nice clean floor.
Blue towel behind Dave. Yeah. Guessing all the oil wasn't out of the engine. No. I've got some white powder at home. I know that sounds really, really wrong.
Don't worry, thank you though.
But I've got some white powder at home, I'll try and find it, and it soaks up like 30% its own volume. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I need spill kit.
Just some sun really, don't you?
Yeah. Can you pass me that bin bag, please? Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that might be a wiser idea.
You just can't win. It's just coming out of all the places. You know what? It's fine.
Just tip it and let it pour in. It's a millimetre too high. Turn it sideways, turn it sideways. No, under. There you go.
There's a lot of oil in it, so it's been drained.
Actually, that sump's not in bad nick either, is it?
No, it's quite good actually.
Just a lick of paint, I think.
Yeah.
Go again. The fuck?
That's the aircon people.
Oh, right.
Customers come in, press the buzzer.
Ah. No battery. You should have felt weight of that, Dave.
Yeah.
Have you charged that up?
I have, yeah.
Hey.
This is the first time I've used it.
Yeah, tug for the bolts.
Yeah, I'm just wondering.
I genuinely wonder when this was last cracked open.
I bet it was a long time ago.
Well, it's been off the road, having it, fucking hell, 10 years?
Yeah.
I had it 3 years before that, I think, as well. So, yeah, probably about 12, 13 years. I did one service on it and I was on the road for 6 months.
Right.
So, yeah, I literally got it up road Christmas Day, drove it down to my sister's and the fuel pump went.
Oh.
I was pissed. Phoned A up and he was like, oh, I'll get you a lift back to your sister's. I was like, cheers, you. Yeah, fixed the fuel pump, had it on the road for I think a month after that and I took it off the road and it's been off ever since. As you always do, I'll just get this fixed, it'll only take a couple of months. That was incredibly easy.
Well, to me that looks like a new sump that's been fitted at some point in its lifetime.
Yeah, 'cause it's not actually that bad in there either, is it? A bit dirty, but there's nothing major.
Not much in there either. That's
No,
okay.
there's a little bit of thingy, but nothing major, is there? Well, I'm happy with how clean that is, actually. And obviously you're always going to get some oil or RTV stuck in there always.
Yeah.
Alright.
How do?
No, still not bad to say she's not been running a lot of years. Like I say, I've got a little bit of shit in there, but that's nothing major, is it?
There we go.
Not coming up too bad, is it?
No. That'll come up clean as a whistle.
Yeah.
No damage. Replace the
Always.
seal, obviously, but
Bang on.
happy days.
Oil pump off.
Put that in the
Good clean that go back on,
yeah.
I'd say. Was it worth putting a new one on, do you think?
No, I mean it's stained obviously a little bit.
Oh, it's been in oil for the last 30 years, hasn't it?
Yeah. But it operates. No play.
Bang on then. Bigger, smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. This video is going to take very little editing, thank fuck.
What I want to do.
What you lost?
Something to hand, I would have used it.
That was loose.
Ooh. It's okay.
Is it?
New bearing. We're going to replace these anyway.
Yeah, just like a little bit of cross hatching on that one.
Yeah, that's okay. Where's my socket gun? They just...
That one there?
No, the big one.
And do you drill?
No. Did you guys just snap all the 19mm socket off me?
Is it behind the grinder?
Oh, it's here. Ha! I'll eat humble pie, sorry.
Voila. 130-year-old piston. She's not in bad condition, is she?
No.
What was on the clock? 200 and something thousand mile?
Well, there was no play in it. No, like, overbearing play.
So I'd say for 200 plus thousand miles, she's in pretty decent condition.
Yeah.
Well, that's a bit cleaner and all. Bang on. There goes the other bearing. Don't know where it went all over. Ka-ting! Not bad either.
Yeah. No, I need to get it. Is it off? And what are your thoughts? Sorry?
Back plate's got to come off on it.
Yeah, gotta do all that. Which means I need to take it off here. You see, there's
No play.
no play whatsoever. And it spins so free. Ooh,
They're all
not
pretty.
bad. Hmm? I can't see any colour.
You know?
I can see it turning.
Yeah, it's me spinning it.
Yeah. I mean, it feels nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. But with that?
Oh. I'm inclined to leave that sat in there for now, so I don't mess, so nobody gets in the way of them, and just get it booked in at an engineer to have it cleaned up. That's ready to go, that, for me.
As long as they've got no massive scorings on them.
No, look at it.
I can see better from the fucking phone than I can with my eyes.
Yeah, look, I mean, you can see the same on these. It's so clean.
Yeah.
I think we just get it built back up, but obviously the hyper cleaned.
Yeah. New bearings, new gaskets.
Yeah,
New
piston
seals. Yeah.
seals, everything. We'll get I'll replace all of it. It just needs a deep clean by.
Polar.
Hey,
Polar.
that's not bad shit out. Well, I'm in Monday.
Yeah, now come back up.
Yeah, after work to see what they'll charge, and just get it done.
Yeah. Yeah.
That exclusively. The head I've got in a box. That's separate. I'm going to send that head away and that head
Yeah.
to be skinned. I spoke to somebody about that.
Yeah.
That's fine.